19th sum. If cos of alpha minus beta plus cos of beta minus gamma plus cos of gamma minus alpha equal to minus 3 by 2, and prove that this one. We want to write the separate formulas for each and every factors there. This cos of alpha minus beta can be written as cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. The second one, cos of beta minus gamma, can be written in this formula, and then cos of gamma minus alpha can be written in this formula. So we have to add in the left hand side everything there. That three formulas are, we expand by the three formulas, which is equal to minus 3 by 2 is given in the problem. So from this I can get 2 cos alpha cos beta plus 2 sin alpha sin beta plus 2 cos beta cos gamma plus 2 sin beta sin gamma. Here 2 cos gamma cos alpha plus 2 sin alpha sin gamma plus 3 equal to 0. Just I cross multiplied by this 2 and I took this 3 to the left hand side, so that it become plus 3 here. Okay, and then I can write keep the things as it is here. Only thing, here this 3 can be written as 1 plus 1 plus 1. That for the first one I want to write cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. For the second one I want to write as cos square beta plus sin square beta. For the third one, for sin square gamma plus cos square gamma. So, and then I want to group all the three things there. What are the things are given? Cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma plus 2 cos alpha cos beta plus 2 cos beta cos gamma plus 2 cos gamma cos alpha. This is the one term. And then the next one, the remaining terms as sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma plus 2 sin alpha sin beta plus 2 sin beta sin gamma plus 2 sin gamma sin alpha equal to 0. I kept the cos in the one term and sin in other terms. So the first bracket can be written as cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma the whole square. The second bracket as sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma the whole square. If both the factors are having square equal to 0 means we can take the second term to the other side, it will become as minus there, which is equal to 0. We can write this as 0 there. The first term, that is cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma equal to 0, and second term also sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma is also equal to 0. Twentieth sum. Show that tan of 45 degree plus a equal to 1 plus tan a by 1 minus tan a. We have the formula for tan of a plus b. That is nothing but tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. We are using the formula tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. So substitute the value for tan 45 is 1. So 1 plus tan a divided by 1 minus tan a is there. The second division, I want to find the value for tan of 45 degree minus a. So even here also we can use the formula for tan of a minus b. Tan of a minus b is tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. Here instead of 45, tan 45 the value is 1, so that we got 1 minus tan a by 1 plus tan a. So this is the formula for this tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. For this tan 45 the value is 1. So 1 minus tan a by 1 plus 1 into tan a, that is nothing but 1 plus tan a. So that the answer is 1 minus tan a by 1 plus tan a. The next problem, Prove that cot of A plus B equal to cot A cot B by minus 1 by cot A cos B. So take the left hand side first. Cot of A plus B can be written as 1 by tan of A plus B. We know the formula for tan of A plus B in the denominator. We are going to use the formula tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. This is the formula for tan of A plus B. We can take the reciprocal for this, so that it will be 1 minus tan A tan B by tan A plus tan B here. At the numerator we can write 1 minus the tan A can be written as tan A tan B can be written as the formula 1 by cot A into 1 by cot B divided by tan A can be written as 1 by cot A plus tan B can be written as 1 by cot B, and take a LCM for the numerator, so that it will become cot A cot B minus 1 by cot A cot B divided by, for the denominator also take LCM as cot A cot B and cross multiply the numerator, it will be cot B plus cot A, and then I can cancel this cot A cot B and this cot A cot B. The remaining thing will be cot A cot B minus 1 by cot A plus cot B. The next problem, if tan x equal to n by n plus 1 and tan y equal to 1 by 2n plus 1, find tan of x plus y. The tan of x plus y formula, we have tan of x plus y equal to tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x tan y. Just substitute the value of tan x as n by n plus 1, tan y is 1 by 2n plus 1, and here 1 minus tan x is n by n plus 1, tan y is 1 by 2n plus 1. And then I want to simplify in the numerator, as the LCM is 2n plus 1 into n plus 1. Then cross multiply at the numerator, it is n into 2n plus 1 plus 1 into n plus 1 divided by, at the denominator also I want to take LCM, that is n into 2n plus 1, cross multiply that thing. So 1 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 is here minus this n. After that I can cancel this denominator and denominator will go off. The remaining things are here, that is n into 2n plus 1 plus n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 minus n. If we remove the brackets there, we got 2n square plus n plus 1. In the denominator also 2n square plus n plus 2n plus 1 minus n. If we cancel that thing, the remaining things are 2n square plus 2n plus 1 divided by 2n square plus 2n plus 1. We can cancel both numerator and the denominator, therefore the answer is 1 here. Twenty-third sum. Prove that tan of pi by 4 plus theta into tan of 3 pi by 4 plus theta equal to minus 1. Here for the left hand side I want to take left hand side, the tan of pi by 4 plus theta. That pi by 4 plus theta is 45 degree plus theta, and tan of 3 pi by 4, that 3 pi by 4, for the instead of pi we can keep 180 degree. 3 into 180 divided by 4 is 135 plus theta. And then in the next step I want to find the value of this 135 degree. This can be written as 180 minus 45, or else we can keep 90 plus 45. Anything you can take there. Just we want to find the values, that's all. So I got here tan 45 degree plus theta, and here I got minus tan 45 degree minus theta. So I can, this is in the product only, so I can multiply that minus will be goes off here. So the remaining things are tan 45 degree plus theta into tan 45 degree minus theta. So it can be written in the formula tan of a plus b and tan of a minus b. So tan of a plus b for the first term, that tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Here tan of a minus b is tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. The tan 45 value is 1. So 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta. And for the second term, here tan 45 degree is 1. So 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. Okay, so I can cancel that numerator and the denominator here as the factors 1 plus tan theta into 1 plus tan theta, and here 1 minus tan theta into 1 minus tan theta. So everything will be get cancelled. The answer will be 1. So that minus is there already. So minus 1 is the answer there. Twenty-fourth sum. Find the values of tan of alpha plus beta given that cot alpha equal to 1 by 2, where alpha belongs to pi comma 3 pi by 2 and secant beta equal to minus 5 by 3, beta belongs to pi by 3 comma pi. Here it's clearly given alpha belongs to pi comma 3 pi by 2. That is in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant we have the tan alpha and cot alpha are positive, all the remaining things are negative. And then the next one is given beta belongs to alpha by 2 comma pi, pi by 2 comma pi. It's nothing but beta lies in the second quadrant, isn't it? In the second quadrant sin beta and cosecant beta will be positive, all the remaining things are negative. So according to that I want to find the value of cot alpha and tan alpha here, and from the secant beta I want to find the value of tan beta here. So now we got the values of cot alpha, tan alpha, secant beta and tan beta. Then I want to find the value of tan alpha plus beta. Tan alpha plus beta is tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. Now substitute the value of tan alpha, tan beta, 1 minus tan alpha, this is tan beta. Then simplify everything, you will get the answer for this 2 by 11. Twenty-fifth sum. If theta plus phi equal to alpha, tan theta equal to k into tan phi, then prove that sin of theta minus phi equal to k minus 1 by k plus 1 sin theta. Whatever is given we want to take there. Okay, so the first thing is given theta plus phi equal to alpha. So take this theta plus phi equal to alpha, and tan theta is also given. Tan theta equal to k into tan phi is also given. So from this I want to take the value of k. So k equal to, take this to the denominator, it will be tan theta by tan phi equal to k. Tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta, tan phi can be written as sin phi by cos phi equal to k. And then take reciprocal there, it will be in the left hand side as sin theta into cos phi divided by cos theta into sin phi equal to k by k is there, we want to take as k by 1 here. And then here I can write this as that component and dividend as rule. I can write this by the denominator, I can add and subtract at the numerator and the denominator. That means here I have sin theta cos phi, in the denominator I have cos theta sin phi. By the denominator, this cos theta and sin phi I can subtract and add there. and even here I have 1. By the denominator I can subtract and add that. This is the componendo dividendo rule. So I can write this as sin theta cos phi minus cos theta sin phi divided by sin theta cos phi plus cos theta cos phi plus cos theta sin phi equal to k minus 1 by k plus 1. That numerator can be written in the formula sin of a minus b. Denominator can be written as sin of a plus b, which is equal to k minus 1 by k plus 1. And then that sin of theta plus phi is given as alpha. So I can substitute that thing in this. I got sin of phi minus theta as it is. Instead of this I can keep alpha, so that sin of alpha theta minus phi equal to k minus 1 by k plus 1 into this sin alpha. Just I cross multiplied here, so that I got the value as sin of theta minus phi equal to k minus 1 by k plus 1 into sin alpha.